Introduction.
Hi, I'm a baby dinosaur, Dongdong. Nice to meet you. This is my house. It's in the jungle. These are my friends, a cat and a dog. Their names are Nang Nang and Mong Mong. This is my pleasant house. These are my happy friends. This is my friend Pterosaur. His name is Chi Chi. I have a good time with my friends every day.
Grow flowers.
Hi everyone. I love flowers very much. First, put the seeds in the earth and then give them water. The new buds will come out and grow little by little. I grow flowers. I love flowers. After having flowers buds, flowers that are fragrant will bloom. Then we make a flower bouquet and give presents to friends or decorate a house with them.
Cooking.
Hi, it's Dongdong. Let me show you my cooking skill. Do you like hot cakes? Prepare eggs, milk, and flour. And also prepare salt and butter. Mix flour, eggs, and milk in a bowl. And also mix in salt and butter. Yum, yum, it looks delicious. Yum, yum, I want to eat hotcakes. After putting them onto the pan, put them in an oven. Put them in an oven. Nice sweet smell. Doesn't it really look delicious?
A cold.
Hi, it's Dongdong. I'm very sick because I have a cold. The other day, suddenly it showered. I was so excited, I played under the shower. The sky had a big hole in it. It rained cats and dogs. Mong Mong said, "You might catch a cold." Next day, I couldn't get up from my bed.
Cleaning.
Hello, Dongdong is neat and tidy. Today I'm cleaning up my house. Dust, dust, dust. On the window, on the sofa, and on the TV. I'm Tidy Dongdong. I'm cleaning up my house. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Under the desk, under the table, and under the sofa. Wipe, wipe, wipe. On the table, here and there, every nook and corner. Wash the windows. The windows in the bedroom, in the living room, and in the bathroom. I'm Tidy Dongdong. I'm cleaning up my house.
Washing clothes.
Hi, it's Dongdong again. Today I'm going to wash clothes. Put the laundry in the washing machine. Put the detergent in it. Clatter, clatter, the sound of the cleaning laundry. Clatter, clatter, the sound of finishing washing. I'm washing clothes. I'm putting on clean clothes. Oh, my clean t-shirt. Oh, my clean pants. Oh, my clean cap. Oh, my clean socks. I'm washing clothes. I'm putting on clean clothes.